Welcome to Talkpoint, your trusted source for the latest USA and world headlines. Quick, clear, and reliable updates every 2 hours. Hurricane Gabrielle has crossed the Atlantic, raising concerns for areas in the North Atlantic, including parts of Caribbean and Bermuda. Classified as a Category 1 hurricane, Gabrielle brings sustained winds of 75 to 90 miles per hour, along with heavy rainfall and the potential for coastal flooding. Meteorologists are also warning about a second tropical disturbance forming in the Atlantic, creating what some experts describe as double trouble. The presence of two simultaneous weather systems increases the risk of stronger storms, rough seas, and localized flooding in affected regions. Gabrielle is moving northeast, and forecasts indicate it could impact Bermuda, Atlantic shipping lanes, and the U.S. East Coast. Officials emphasize that hurricane conditions can change rapidly, and residents and maritime operators are advised to remain alert and follow official guidance. Authorities in Bermuda and the Caribbean have issued alerts and are urging residents to prepare by securing property, stocking essential supplies, and monitoring local advisories. Disaster management agencies are coordinating efforts to minimize the impact of the storm on communities and infrastructure. Experts note that the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season has been unusually active, with multiple storms forming simultaneously. Warmer ocean temperatures and atmospheric conditions are contributing to the frequency and intensity of tropical storms, underscoring the importance of early preparedness and response. In addition to immediate hazards such as high winds and heavy rain, Gabrielle poses risk for maritime traffic and offshore operations. Shipping companies and airlines are adjusting schedules and routes to ensure safety during the storm passes. Residents along potentially affected coastlines are advised to stay informed through official sources, including the National Hurricane Center, local emergency management offices, and accredited weather outlets. Preparing in advance and adhering to safety instructions can significantly reduce risks associated with hurricanes. While Gabrielle's exact path and intensity may shift, the combination of multiple weather systems highlights the complexity of the current Atlantic season. Meteorologists continue to monitor the storm closely, providing regular updates and forecasts to help communities respond effectively. As Hurricane Gabrielle moves across the Atlantic, coordinated international monitoring, timely warnings, and proactive preparation remain key to minimizing the impact on both coastal populations and maritime activities. The upcoming days will be critical in assessing Gabrielle's path and the potential effects of concurrent tropical disturbances. Authorities and residents are urged to remain vigilant and prioritize safety as the storm progresses. You are watching Talkpoint, the point where news talks. Stay informed, stay ahead, subscribe now, and hit the bell icon because the next update is coming in just 2 hours.